Today very important news NFP, which can be hot or which can be weak. So let's see based on fundamental macroeconomics what gold will do in case of hot or weak number. Currently price action looks like somebody front running big NFP number. If number come weak, lower than expected, then somebody already buying gold and bulls they are already in perfect condition. So you can see Monday was fake dump. After that gold is up $200 spike. So in case of weak NFP number, first possibility 4850 weekly time frame resistance, that will be most important. Closing will be green, no doubt. Friday closing will be green, and starting Monday next week sentiment will be bullish. And all the buyers who are buying now or they were buying in past, they will hold their position into next week. That is most important. So after Friday closing we will see first color, then candlestick body. So in case of weak NFP number today 4850, instantly this number can test. Next week this number can break out. In case of weak NFP number, candlestick size will be closing near 4850, and upcoming time they all will be targeting the test of 5600 area. In case of hot NFP number 4850, that is our resistance. In case of hot NFP number higher than expected, immediately first they dump on Monday, after that they are buying aggressively. Entire move can reverse instantly in case of hot number. Candlestick color can change, closing price can change. But most important, you can see all of those weekly candlestick, not just one but so many weekly candlestick, they all showing rejection near 4500 area. So these are long term player, long term buyer. Whenever price dip near this area, somebody buy gold. So gold will react differently in case of weak number and hot number. In case of weak number 4850 can break out, it can test. But in case of hot number, I don't think price can fall and close on Friday below 4400, because of price history, so many weekly candlestick. And if you watch closely, same retracement on weekly H4 and H1 time frame, same retracement. You can see weekly time frame, big player, long term buyers, they wait for retracement, immediately they start buy. The last two weekly candlestick, they have candlestick body, closing opening price, big tail, and clear rejection near 4500. You can see intraday H1 U-turn. You can see price came down, made double bottom precisely on 50% retracement area. After that it break out 4660 resistance and now up again. That was perfect double bottom setup on intraday H1, but somebody was buying weekly retracement. That is perfect scalping strategy. So why market can react differently in case of weak number? Because FOMO buying, market madness for possible Fed cut. In case of hot number, same thing. You can see somebody buying gold on 4500 this week, making double bottom, and all the weekly candlestick in past they also in rejection. So in that condition, in case of hot number, price can dip, entire move can reverse, price can again fall below 4500, but I don't think you will see weekly closing below 4400. So in this area buyers will return again. So in case of hot number Friday this week, do not panic, but still trade with bullish buyers in this area, because logic is simple. You can see almost entire hedge fund crowd, one by one, all billionaires are coming. They say one thing: nobody expecting rate cut by Kevin Warsh in 2026. I don't think this is practical, this is possible. Look at Fed Watch tool. 40 days to next FOMC meeting. This thing never happened. More than 1 month to next FOMC meeting and you get clarity on rate decision. This is not possible. Especially new Fed chair, his first FOMC speech, his first rate decision, and his first dot plot. How is this possible? More than 1 month in advance you get clarity. This is not going to happen. And all the hedge fund crowd, they are saying no rate cut by Kevin Warsh this year. If you see cycle, September to December we saw cut in 2024, same cycle repeat in 2025. Biden and Trump both did same thing can repeat again. If rate cut start in September, then currently market expecting no cut pause entire year. If they skip cut in June, then very high chance they start rate cut in September month. And historically, September is favorite month of Fed to start a rate cut. So you have to trade both time frame weekly and H1 side by side. So 4660 that is support. After that 4400 will be support in case of hot number. If number come very weak, then 4660 will be strong support level, and it is not visible on H1 but 4850 coming from weekly time frame, that will be most important resistance level. Immediately after NFP upcoming week, market will target breakout retest or closing above 4850. So that is today's plan, but next week you have CPI and PPI. So again next level confirmation, because I always say you have 3 level confirmation, either NFP come weak or PPI inflation fall or stock market fall, either one of them or all of them, and stock market trading on all-time high. So you need something to verify cut to attract buyer, either weak NFP, weak inflation number or falling stock market, but nothing happening right now. But market is too aggressive. You can see so many weeks, so much timing. Buyer come, they buy gold near 4500. You can see there was clear buy signal exclusive to premium member. After FOMC meeting, stop selling, start trading with bullish bias and take profit on old sale entry. Because before FOMC meeting we were on sale side, we were expecting 4600, but immediately before U-turn after FOMC meeting we shift to buy side and trade but perfect. NFP come very weak, then our signal work. If NFP come hot, then you should take profit or exit, but on current price area before NFP, that is the risk. So today Friday NFP most important, then Friday closing, everything will be clear. Monday market open New York, but today first see NFP number, it come hot or weak, and Friday closing. Market close near 4850 in bullish mode, or market close with bad sentiment near 4500. For scalper, let's see resistance and support one by one once again. All coming from weekly, but you trade on H1. In case of downside, in case of hot NFP, big support will be 4400. Nearest level is 4660, but resistance will be 4850 in case of weak NFP number. So you will trade based on these two number, 4850 upside, 4400 downside. Even if NFP become very strong, very hot, still I am expecting only a retracement, not new lower low. If NFP become very weak, immediately candlestick will close near 4850, and upcoming time, next test, next timing part will be CPI PPI next week. Till then gold can stay up if NFP come weak today. But I can tell you based on Fed history, you never have clarity more than 1 month before FOMC meeting, and now you have 40 days to next FOMC meeting. Very high chance upcoming time gold can stay sideways near 4500 and weekly bias stay bullish.